Is your check engine light staring you down and your scanner is showing the code P00B3? That can be frustrating, but let us break down exactly what is happening under the hood. This code stands for Radiator Coolant Temperature Sensor Circuit Low. Basically, your car has a sensor dedicated to checking the temperature of the coolant, specifically in the radiator, which is separate from the main one on the engine block. The computer, or ECM, uses this to manage cooling fans and ensure the engine runs efficiently. When you see P00B3, the computer is seeing a voltage signal that is lower than the normal operating range, usually indicating a short to ground or a sensor failure. You might notice symptoms like hard starts on a cold morning, the engine idle feeling rough or erratic, or even poor gas mileage. In some cases, your cooling fans might run at full speed constantly as a failsafe. To fix this, you need to play detective. First, make sure your engine is completely cool before you touch anything. Pop the hood and locate the radiator coolant temperature sensor. It is usually found directly on the radiator tank or on a coolant hose leading to it. Look for obvious issues like wires that have melted against the hot engine or connectors that are broken. If the wiring looks good, you'll want to test the sensor itself. You'll need a multimeter for this. Disconnect the sensor and measure the resistance across the pins. You'll need to look up the specific resistance values for your make and model in a repair manual. If the numbers do not match up, the sensor is likely toast and needs to be replaced. Also, check for leaks around the sensor O-ring, as air pockets can cause false readings. If replacing the sensor and fixing wires does not work, the issue could be deeper in the computer, but that is rare. Most of the time, a new sensor and checking your coolant levels will get you back on the road.